So a survey asks people if they like tea and coffee, and it's expressed in a Venn diagram. Remember that the 20 people outside the Venn diagram didn't like either. 3 liked tea, 18 liked tea and coffee, and 9 just liked coffee. So the total in the survey is 3 plus 18 plus 9 plus 20, which is 50 people. It's quite handy if we're calculating percentages, because we can just double the values. So 18 people liked both tea and coffee. That's 18 out of 50, or 36 out of 100, which is the same as 36%. Now it said, what percentage of people in the survey did not like coffee? Well, the ones who like coffee are the 9 who just like coffee and the 18 who also like tea. So there's 27 who like coffee. Check the question. It says, who doesn't like coffee? So we need to take 27 away from 50, and that will give us the 23 people who didn't like coffee. And those 23 people represent 23 out of 50, which is the same as 46 out of 100, which is 46%.